I don't know if it's visible in the latest videos that I've shot, but I have like this gnarly scar at the top of my head. Uh, no, I did not get into a fight. I recently did some upgrades to the desk, and while I was crouching down to pass some cables to the back of through the back of the desk, I hit my head at the edge of the table here. I hit it really hard. If you can see it like closely, you can see that it's very linear like that. It's very flat and it kind of like goes two ways. Not that I hit my head twice, but I hit my head really hard, then I bounced. And since I still have like that forward muscle momentum, I hit it again. Something like that. Felt really smart at the time.